Good evening. Welcome to the ObaNutrition channel. John Obadia. I'm a clinical nutritionist, though currently I'm an intern. Today being our first episode, I want us to focus on a simple concept. This is called the BMI. So what is the BMI? The BMI is something called, in full, it's a body mass index. This is a statistical measure that uses weight and height to be able to classify you if you're overweight, if you have normal weight, and if you're underweight. So this scale runs between 16 to 40. Below 16, you're considered to be severely underweight, which is not a good place to be at. Between 16 to 18.4, you are moderately underweight, which is also not a good place to be at. Between 18.5 to 24.9, that is normal weight, though that is it's a good place to be at. Between 25 to 29.9, you're overweight. Between 30 to 34.9, you're obese class 1. Between 35 to 39.9, you're obese class 2. Above 40, you're obese class 3. So the place that you're not supposed to be at, or I would not advise you to be at, it's anything below 18.5, and also anything above 25. But 25, it's a bit forgivable. Okay, besides that, which is the ideal BMI? The ideal BMI is normally between 21 to 23. At this BMI, you normally look lean. However, below 21, or let's say below 20, you might look a bit skinny, though you are of normal weight. When you get to 24, it's easier to get to 25, especially if you're not watching your nutritional behavior. So the most ideal is normally between 21 to 23. Besides that, let's get into the calculation. So how do you calculate the BMI? The BMI is easy to calculate. You just take your weight in kilograms divided by your height in meters. And I'll leave that formula in the description box so that any one of you who is interested in finding the nutritional status can be able to do it. So let's take our first example. This guy is 100 kilograms and has a height of 2 meters. So that will be 100 kilograms divided by 2 squared, because it's height squared. So it will be 100 divided by 4, which will give us 25 kilograms per meter squared. And that is overweight. Though at 25, it's a bit lenient because you're at the margin. I hope you get me there. Another example, this person is 84 kgs, still with a height of 2 meters. So that will be 84 kilograms divided by 2 squared. That will be 84 divided by 4, which will give us 21 kilograms per meter squared. So with that person is considered of normal weight, and that is ideal. Ideally, that person looks very lean, and that is a good place to be at. Something else, someone might be knowing their weight in pounds and might be wanting to have a conversion of it. So I'll just give you the conversions. If you know your weight in pounds, to convert them into kgs, 1 kg is equals to 2.2 pounds. If you know your height in feet and you want to convert in meters, 3.2 feet is equals to 1 meter. If you know your height in centimeters, you want to convert into meters, 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. If you know your height in inches and you want to convert into meters, 39.3 inches is equals to 1 meter. So with that, you can be able to get your BMI. You can be able to share with your family members, educate them on finding their nutritional status. Are they overweight? Are they underweight? Or are they of normal weight? And on the extreme, are they severely underweight or obese? Okay, if you're obese, it's time to take control of your diet and have time to also consider your physical activity. If you are underweight, it's time to take a meal. Thank you.